it will invite bad vibes. So as you know, Para, Vyuha, Vibhava, Antaryami, Archa. There are 5 stages of Perumal. Para ante, your class undi. Para ante, Sri Vaikunthanatham, who is residing in Sri Vaikuntham, Paramapadam. Next one is Vyuha Vasudeva. Vyuha ante, who is lying in the Tirupar, the milk ocean. Tirupar is the Swami Sayanamula Unnadi. Adisesha Pariyangamlo, Swami Sayanamula Unnadi, Vyuham. That is Para Vasudevan. Next one is Vyuha Vasudevan. Third is Vibhavam. Vibhavam means what? Avatar. Rama, Krishna, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nrsimha. Ilanti avatar chesaru kada. Adi Vibhavam. Next, mana Hridayam lopale unnaru kada. Mana Atma lopala Antaratma unnaru kada. Adi Antaryami. Last and also the most important stage of Perumal, Archavadara. That is residing in like this in temples as Archamurti. Vigraha Rupamlo Swami Manavada. That is Archa. Ilanti 5 stages unnai. Idulo Paravyuham annadi nenu cheppinaga Sri Vaikunthamlo unnadi. Vyuha Vasudevana vastaru kada. Aa Vyuha Vasudevanalo Swami will take another 3 important forms. Sangarshana, Pradyumna, Aniruddhan. Vasudevan, the Vyuha Vasudevan, gave another, he will separate himself into another 3 things. That is Sankarshana, Pradyumna, Aniruddhan. Sankarshana is who destroys everything. Pradyumna is who creates everything. Aniruddha is who saves everything. Destroyer, creator and the saver. ఈ సంకర్షణ స్వామి వారిలో ఆయన నుంచి ఆయన కార్యం చేసిన వాడే శివుడు, యమదేవుడు వాళ్ళు. ప్రద్యుమ్న నుంచి ఆయన కార్యం చేసిన వాడే బ్రహ్మ. ఈజ్ ద క్రియేటర్. బ్రహ్మ ఇస్ ద క్రియేటర్. దట్ ఈస్ హూ ఇస్ హ్యావింగ్ 4 heads. చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ. సేవర్ అనిరుద్ధ ఈజ్ ద పర్సన్ హూ ఇస్ సేవింగ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. ఇది ఇంత అనిరుద్ధ స్వామి వారి సేవియర్. హీ comes as Vibhava Avataram. The Aniruddha takes another form, that is Rama, Krishna. Other Ramakrishna Avataram is Archavadara Murti Variku. We are saying that Aniruddha takes another form, another avatara, that is Vibhava Avataram, Rama, Krishna, up to this Archavadara Murti. This is the 5 stages. This is the basic thing we should learn. Even Okkoka stage ku there is the Shastramas there. Regarding the Paravasudevan, Vedam will tell all about Paravasudevan. If you want to know about Paravasudevan means you have to learn Vedam. Pancaratra Ahamam. If you read Pancaratra Ahamam, you can learn about Vyuha Vasudevan who is residing in the Tirupar Kadal. If you want to know Vibhavam, that is Rama, Krishna, you have to read Idihasam and Puranam. If you want to read Antaryami, who is residing inside us, means you have to read Smriti. Smriti means Manusmriti. Manu Dharma Shastram. Alanti Smriti Manu Dharma Shastram. If you read the Shastram, you can know about who is residing inside us. Alvar Divya Prabandham. If we want to know Archavadara, that is who is in the Vigraha Rupam. If you want to know about him, you have to learn Divya Prabandham. How God is incarnated again and again అవతారం చేస్తున్నారు. అలాంటి వేదం కూడా స్వామివారు ఒక అవతారం చేస్తే ఆయన గురించి చెప్పడానికి కూడా కావాలి కదా. If Perumal is making an avatar, incarnation means the book which is saying about Perumal has to make an avatar. That's why when God is in Paravasudevan in Sri Vaikuntham, Vedam. If God gets incarnated, if he gets moved to Tirupar means Vedam will get another avatar as Pancaratra Ahamam. Okay. Here you come, the rendu oru pettukoni. Perumal is coming down. Vedam is also getting another incarnation. Perumal is getting another incarnation as Vyuha Vasudevan. Tirupar Kadalo. Ikkada Vedam is coming as Pancaratra Ahamam. Tirupar Swami is Aniruddhan is getting another avatar as Rama, Krishna, Varaha, Nrsimha. So if Vedam is also taking another avatar as Idihasam and Puranam. Next one is Perumal is residing inside as an Antaryama. So Vedam is taking another incarnation as Dharma Shastra, Smritis. Lastly, the Perumal is residing as Vigrahavadharam in each and every places. So Vedam is getting another Avadharam, that is Divya Prabandha, which we are studying now. Any questions?